Hi everybody, I hope you're all doing well today. I was reminded yesterday that the Louise Bridge, the original Louise Bridge, was actually a rail or maybe a rail and mixed bridge. And that made me think, where did those rail lines come from? So I came out here to the Northeast Pioneer Greenway, and the Marconi Spur that came down here had two cutoffs that came off of it that went over the Louise Bridge. Winnipeg has always been this rail city, and if you look at maps and you kind of explore around, you'll see indicators of those rail lines. Like this coming through here is that old rail line, and just on the other side of Elmwood School, you can see the other rail line, the other spur line went to the Louise Bridge. I'll give you a map of that below, along with some of the historical maps. But if you're coming down the Greenway here, or if you're coming through Elmwood, just think about the rail lines that were here, in the late 1800s, the early 1900s. Bye.